The report claims that the support for downloading animated sticker packs has been rolled out for the users of Read more. A week ago, it was reported that WhatsApp is soon going to roll out support for animated stickers by allowing its users to download them. Now, it appears that the company has started doing that for the beta users of its app. As per a report by WA Beta Info, the website that tracks the upcoming changes and features on the instant messaging platform, both Android and iOS beta users can now download Playful Piomaru, the first animated sticker pack, from WhatsApp Store. The report claims that the support for downloading animated sticker packs has been rolled out for the users of 2.20, 195, 1 Android beta and 2.20, 70, 26 iOS beta versions or newer versions. To recall, in its previous report, WA Beta Info claimed that animated stickers feature on WhatsApp will include 3 aspects to its functionality. The first is to be able to view them, which comes with the option to save and send them as well. The second is to be able to import them from third-party sources, and lastly to be able to download them from the official WhatsApp store, that would be currently implemented in the app. While the first part of the feature was enabled last week only, today the beta users of the instant messaging app have got the support for the third part. At the time of filing this report, there appears to be only one sticker pack available officially on WhatsApp Store. However, more animated stickers packs should follow soon. Readers must note that, just as it was last time, there is still no support for looping of these animated stickers on the app as of now, and there is no word if WhatsApp is going to allow looping or include a toggle to enable it. Thanks for watching. Do you like my video? Then show me your love by pressing like button. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for new technology updates.